10 lines on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, known as the Iron Man of India, was a key leader in the Indian freedom struggle. He was born on October 31, 1875 in Gujarat. He played a vital role in uniting India after independence. Patel was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. He led the integration of over 500 princely states into the Indian Union. His leadership in the Bardoli Satyagraha earned him the title Sardar, meaning leader. Patel strongly believed in unity and worked to strengthen India's unity and integrity. He was a close associate of Mahatma Gandhi and followed his principles of non-violence. Patel's effort helped lay the foundation for modern India's administrative and political framework. He passed away on December 15, 1950, but his legacy continues to inspire Indians. The Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, honors Sardar Patel and his contributions to India. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.